Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is HOOTMONEY here with another video for you guys today. Today we are going to be talking about 5 different stocks, some of them to buy now, one of them I think you guys might want to consider a put option on. And yeah, guys, we're going to go over a little bit of what is going on in the stock market before we get into the video. So, number 1, currently, guys, there is a job shortage. So we have a very strong reopening economy, but we can't seem to fill these jobs. Now, potential employees that are looking to get hired, they're demanding much higher salaries as demand in our economy is at all-time high and we're seeing higher prices now. Also, things like rent are looking to be increasing in the future. So, with all of these things aligning, yes, people are demanding more money and jobs are going to have to succumb to these requests of their employees in order to retain these workers, since if they don't do this, then they won't be able to fulfill the demand that this economy is, well, demanding. Number 2, the Delta variant of COVID-19, guys. This has been talked about for a few months now. And just yesterday, Japan issued a state of emergency, not allowing travel into Tokyo for the Olympics, which saw a large sell-off. Now, the market recovered very instantly as soon as market opened yesterday. However, this is going to be an increasing risk in our economy going forward. However, I don't really see this FUD lasting personally. And the last thing that has been causing uncertainty in our markets is the tensions between the United States and China. We all saw how the DDIPO worked out. Didn't work out too well. There's always going to be the concerns from the US government that the Chinese is going to be profiting off of the United States stock market. And with Chinese government being a communist government and not the nicest government in the world, they don't really want to see that happening, and there's all these tensions. And China is also purposely sabotaging a few stocks that are listed. So all of these Chinese stocks are down right now, and because of that, it's affecting the broader market. Anyways, guys, if you enjoy these stock market updates, I highly appreciate an early like on the video. Liking the video is the #1 thing you guys can do to help me out here on this channel, and I highly appreciate it. You guys don't understand. Just giving me that simple like, it's so easy for you guys, and it really just changes my day. So I appreciate it, guys. Thank you for that. Anyways, guys, if you guys want to join my Discord server, the link is in the description or in the pinned comment section. Lots of day traders in there. Everyone's just trying to make some money. It's really fun talking to everyone, and we're all highly motivated trying to make some great investment choices. So definitely check out that Discord. Link is below, right alongside the link to sign up for public, where they're giving up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least $1. So check that link out as well. And yeah, guys, let's get right into these 5 stocks. Alright, guys, so the first stock that we have now is Palantir Technologies, sitting at around $23 per share, and it's down about 0.52% on the day. Now, if we just take a look at 3-month chart, you see this reached a high of about $27 in the end of June, and it has been selling off ever since. So if Palantir continues to sell off, I really do think this stock is a strong buy. Anything below $20 a share is an amazing buy. As you guys can see, in the middle of May, this thing was under $19 per share, which is a great price for Palantir, in my opinion. If we go out to the 1-year chart, it saw highs in February of about $38 per share. Now, that might have been a little outrageous for the time. However, I still think long term this is going to $40 per share. So if you buy Palantir, I really do see it as a double your money situation. I can't really give you guys a time frame, but I think that within the next 3 years we will be seeing prices of above $40 per share for Palantir. So I definitely see it as a great long-term investment. The next stock that we have on this list is my personal favorite and one of my largest holdings in my portfolio, and that is Tattooed Chef, or TTCF. Guys, Tattooed Chef is a highly growing stock, and it's in a high growth industry, dominating that plant-based frozen food, expanding into other broader categories such as vegetables and snacks. Guys, Tattooed Chef, I love this stock. Now, it's been trading in a very, very predictable pattern. If we scroll out, guys, you can see it goes up. It just oscillates up and down and up and down and up, creating kind of like this flag pattern that it's eventually going to break out of and go to over $30 a share. I mean, I definitely see Tattooed Chef personally as over $50 a share in the future, and it's sitting at about $19.95. If you guys do want to pick up this stock, I definitely see it. I don't know if it's going to go all the way back down to $17 or $16 a share. That's when you really should have been greedy on Tattooed Chef, and I think you can get it for $18 or $19 a share in the short term, and I think those are great prices if you want to invest in this stock long term. The next stock that we have on this list is Disney. Now, guys, I like to include this type of stock in each one of these videos because Disney is going to be probably the safest stock that we talk about on this video. So Disney, everyone knows Disney. I knew Disney when I was a kid. I know Disney now. Everyone knows Disney. Disney's going to be here in the future, guys. Disney is one of those perma-growth companies that's always expanding. It's a technology company, but it's also a value company because they make so much money. And I just really love these type of companies because in 10 years, you're going to want to have this stock. And in 10 years, this stock is going to be worth a lot more than $175 per share. So do your future self a favor and get some Disney right now because in the future, you're going to want it. I promise you guys. If we look at the past year, it's up 50%. It's up 79% in the past 5 years. So you're definitely paying a little bit of a premium right now, but I definitely see this stock continuing to grow in the future. It saw recent highs in March of about 196. I think it might have broke 200 there. Yeah, broke 200 on March 8th. And right now it's sitting at 175. So there's definitely some upside. Unless there's an overall stock market correction, I really do see Disney continuing to dominate with reopening and continuing their streaming service and just continuing to dominate in every single aspect of entertainment. If you want up to $70 in free stock, as long as you deposit at least $1. Use the links in the description to sign up for Public. Guys, Public is a stock investing application, but it's also a social media, which is why I enjoyed this application so much. You can see what people are saying. You can make a post. You can say, oh, I'm buying this stock. And then whoever's looking at it can click on your stock and buy it themselves. So Public is awesome in those regards, and I am a big fan, and I'm happy to be an affiliate of Public because I got offers from other brokerages and I said no. Robinhood wants to work with me. I said no. I really do enjoy this platform. They have amazing customer service. They don't sell your trading data. They rely off tips alone. So for those reasons, I'm all in on Public, guys. They give up to $70 in free stock as long as you guys deposit at least $1. Use those links in the description or in the pinned comment section to sign up and use code HOOTMONEY. Guys, let's get right back into the video. The next stock that we are going to talk about is Virgin Galactic Holdings, guys. SPCE or Space or whatever you want to call it, guys. This stock has been shooting up. We have to take a look at their 1 month chart just to get an idea. 41% in the last 1 month. Now, I'm not telling you guys to buy this one now. Actually, I find this stock pretty risky at the current price levels. If we go back to the year chart, you just see what goes on with this stock. It loves to rally. In February, we saw it at similar price levels in the $50 range, and it sold off all the way back down to $16 a share. So you can see exactly what you're getting into with this stock. If we go back to the 5 year chart, you guys can see what happens with this stock. Guys, it rallies up, it sees a new all-time high, it drops, all right? It rallies up, sees a new high, this one is a lower high, it drops. It rallies up, goes high, it drops. It rallies up, goes high, it drops. Well, right now, we're in the rallying up stage on Virgin Galactic Holdings, and there's a big event that is coming up on Sunday, which is when Richard Branson goes to space, guys. On July 11th, on Sunday, Richard Branson, the CEO of Virgin Galactic Holdings, goes to space. Now, this stock saw a lot of rallying based off this news, based off of the rumor. And guys, I am fairly confident that when he does end up doing this launch, this is going to be a sell the news event, and we're going to see a red day on Monday. Now, we saw that on the daily chart, this is down 2%, so it might have already started to happen. However, it's bouncing back, which is what you're going to want to wait for, because I recommend you guys might want to get a put option if you're into that. Definitely very risky. Definitely very risky. I'd wait until market close, to say the least. In terms of strike price, the $45 put price would probably be your best bet. Now keep in mind that the theta decay on this contract is $43 per day, so it is very risky buying this out of the money put contract for $400. However, I definitely do see a sell the news type event on Monday. So with that being said, I like this put option. However, just know it is very highly risky. The last stock that we have on this list is CARV, or CARV, or whatever you want to say it, Carver Federal Savings Bank. And this stock is a momentum play. It's not a long-term value play. It's a short-term swing trade, day trade type play. And it really just has been seeing enormous amounts of volume. It's the most traded stock on the entire stock market today. Low market cap, low float, high short interest. You guys get the idea. Now, we're going to just take a quick look at the 1 month chart, see what's going on. Up 170% in the past month. It was at $10 a share just a few days ago, and it spiked up. Now it's at $37 per share. So just know the extreme amount of risk that you're getting into. And I wouldn't really personally be in this stock for more than less than a day is what I would do, just because there's lots of volatility. It's up 70% today. It could go down 30% tomorrow. We just don't know what's going to happen with this stock. So with that being said, I think you should kind of just day trade it. If we look at the Webull, I believe I have it up. Yes, we do. You can just use some of these indicators, like right here, the RSI. Oversold, you know it might be a good time to buy it up at $35 a share, and it spikes up. You can get in for a nice quick day trade, make a 10% profit or more. And yeah, you can see right here the MACD oversold. You can see that it's looking to rally. If you look at this, it's bouncing off that 25 moving average, so it's probably a decent time to day trade it. And that's just really how I see all of this. I'm not really too much of a day trader myself, but if you do want to get in a stock like Carve, then it's definitely something I would consider day trading and capitalizing off of that volatility. Alright guys, so those are the 4 stocks to buy now and the 1 stock to buy a put option on. And I like all of these plays, especially Disney and Palantir. Those are 2 stocks that you want to have in your portfolio if you are a long-term investor. Highly recommend getting into those stocks. Perhaps capitalize on some of the volatility that we've seen in the marketplace in the last week and wait for a better price. I think Palantir is definitely a stock you can get under $20 a share, and Disney I think you can get for a bit better price as well. Tattooed Chef, another stock that I'm absolutely in love with. It's biggest stock in my portfolio. If this thing dips to $19 per share, it's already at a pretty good price right now. I really think that you guys should load the boat on this one because they have great financials and they're just going to see lots of growth in the future as they continue to expand. People absolutely love their product, and I just absolutely love that stock. Guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it as always, and if you guys don't mind smashing that like button, beating up that like button, scrolling down right now and looking at that like button and turning it into a nice blue color for me, guys, I highly appreciate that very much. And if you guys want to join the Discord, the link is in the description or in the pinned comment section. We talk about different stocks like this every single day. That stock Carve, if you want to get into it, or CARV, whatever you guys want to say, if you want to get into a stock like that early on before it runs up 70% in a day, then definitely join the Discord because we've been talking about that stock for a few days now. So definitely join the Discord link. It's 100% free. Also check out the links to sign up for public where you get up to $70 in free stock as long as you deposit $1. So check that out, free money. And yeah guys, I enjoyed this video. Hope you guys did too. And that's about it. Peace.